Fall in love with this easy 1-minute pumpkin microwave cookie, which is also dairy and egg-free. Made with fall spices and real pumpkin puree, this pumpkin cookie has a crisp texture on the outside and soft in the center. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a medium microwave safe bowl, melt the butter in the microwave. Add light brown sugar, granulated sugar, pumpkin pie spice, ground cloves, and pure pumpkin puree. Mix these ingredients until they are combined. Make sure to use pure pumpkin puree since pumpkin pie mix has additional sugars in it. Add baking soda, salt, and all-purpose flour. Mix together until the dry mixture is fully mixed into the wet mixture. It will look like too much flour has been added, but it will come together, so do not add any additional pure pumpkin puree. Scrape down the bowl to get any remaining flour into the mixture. Roll and shape the cookie dough into a ball. Lay the cookie dough on a small piece of parchment paper and flatten the dough out and continue to shape. If you love cookies, check out my 1-minute chocolate chip cookie recipe in the link above or the video description below. Place the cookie dough in the microwave and microwave for 1 minute. This pumpkin cookie will be really soft, so be very careful when removing from the microwave. Let this pumpkin cookie sit for 5 minutes to harden and cool. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.